Hello, this is Austin, and I just want to take my previous video and extend it a little further. So let's look at the code that we have here. So before, we just had the mylib.dll just appear in either the main directory, or we could, just in the main directory or the root directory for the Lua exe. But you could actually, so if I change this path, so I could say mylib/lib and then rename this to like lib.c. I'm going to delete these other files. So I just renamed that to lib, and now I can make a directory called mylib. And what I could do is make part of the library in C and part of the library just written in Lua if I keep up with this approach. So rename this to lib. There we go. Now make it an init.lua file. Lib equals require mylib.lib turn lib. Here we go. And then we're going to have to add, so let's move the DLL file to mylib. Move, what is it going to be called? lib.dll to mylib. There we go. And I think that should be it. All right, let's see. Is there something wrong? Oh, there we go. Try it again. Whoa, my bad. There we go. So it compiled. Now let's try accessing mylib again and see if that runs. Yep, it ran. Now if I wanted to add more to this library with Lua, I could be like lib function, yeah, lib dot add a b turn a plus b. Boom. So now I just added an extra method to that library. So let's see if we can call that. So mylib.add, let's try 12 and 12. So then print out. Let's try that. And I think before there wasn't a new line here, so let's add a new line so that it's not all showing up on the same line. So let's build again, and then let's run the program, and you see that we have hello and then out. Now you can get a little more trickier than this. Let's just create a whole, keep accidentally hitting that. Create a whole different directory, make directory other, I don't care. So now, actually before I go in this directory, let's go back to where we were at. Go to Explorer real quick, because I want to go back to that thing I was talking about before. With it being in the root directory for the program, for the Lua program. So I can take mylib, move it to here, boom. Now it's in the root directory for the program. You can go back to other I guess I'll just make the file in here. Why not? Test.lua. Boom. And let's change the directory to other. Nope, not what I want to do. nvim qt. So now we open the file. Let's do mylib equals require mylib. So now, because there's nothing else in this directory, it's going to search the Lua root directory. So let's do mylib.hello and see if that works. Boom, it worked. Now let's try our add function or method, whatever. Out. See if that works. And it does. And it's accessing it from our root Lua executable directory. So that's just an extra thing you can do, because being able to add on to the C library and just add extra Lua functions to that could probably be useful.